okay?
There's something on it. Sorry about just cleaning, buddy.
One of the sturgeons, you got the bigger one over here. Yeah. And you see that it's a big one going over here. These are salmon. Yeah. You got this big one right here. And that's also a sturgeon. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. Swimming more into the shadows now.
Oh, right here.
So, straight below us. See him coming, his head.
Oh, wow.
That'll make the...
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Look at that head down there.
I like that.
Did we see him?
Only if they're close. Please.
I don't know.
Please don't.
You eat pizza.
Oh yeah, pizza and donuts. Where are 8?
Get down, Sky.
What's that thing doing?
Sky, get down, please.
I don't know what that thing is. Let me see what that thing is.
The pen? What are you talking about?
Look, I got this.
Okay.
The white one, the sturgeon?
No, the sturgeon's the big ones at the bottom.
No, that big guy that says I need a console. You know that one that I wanted when we went to go get this? Oh, look at this toy. That would be bad. Look at that tail flapping. Oh, trying to find water. Trying to take off from the water. Sturgeon. There's a cutest fish in the world.
No.
No, sharks.
No.
Sharks aren't. Look, that toy will be bad
Maybe
for
like a whale or something. Aren't whales bigger than sharks?
Whale, shark.
Oh!
Whales are mammals.
They're still fish.
They're
They're
Or
still
mammal.
in the water.
They still breathe air and we have hair.
Am I tallest?
No, you're not 6 foot tall. You're cheating now. Your feet have to be right here.
Okay. I'm cheating now. Yep.
That's actually better. You're like
How?
4'2",
What?
4'3".
4'3".
Well,
That's not that long. Not 6 inches. Almost taller than you, Daddy.
tree's got some growth there in it. God damn, dude.
Dad, I don't remember this area.
You don't remember this area? I do.
Oh, that area's wild. I'm gonna go see the fish.
Okay, go down below. No, it's a little bit quiet. We're here at Christian Armstrong's, was that right? Yeah, Christian Armstrong Medicinal Park. It's named after her because she's a local multi-gold medal cyclist here in Idaho. I believe. I'm not exactly for sure what part of Idaho, but she's brought good things to Idaho about with that. She has a road she travels named after her and other things. And so we want to pay our respects to her for representing this state and our country. Yeah?
Dad, is there any salmon?
You need to take a break. Just let us know.
Okay.
Mom, is there any
Isn't there
salmon?
otters in one of these, Curtis?
I don't believe so.
I thought we saw otters out here.
I'm sure is this pretty much fish.
Mom,
Yeah.
is there any salmon?
Is there any what?
Salmon? Yeah, they're down here at the bottom.
Yes.
They have the red on them.
Male Chinook salmon. Chinook.
The movie. The bad. Hey, these guys clean these guys.
And there is
Dad, you can come in.
I know I can. I'm okay right here though. Yes, I know.
This thing is the cool nest. Let's see, big.
Petroglyphs are 10 to 12,000 years old. Yeah, I'm going down. Come on, Corbin.
This is the wrong way.
No, it's not.
Or to see.
Yeah, this way. We already saw everything that way. Don't climb over. Go around. Go around.
Have not been in Australia ever.
There's a fish up that way.
Corbin, my darling, stop!
Hi, fish.
I see the
Yeah.
That feature.
Cut my soul when I was falling. You know the cross has stopped me from hitting the ground. And every goal there was a meaning. For this love ain't kryptonite. Until you keep me close, a minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and then I fall too deep. Maybe then I'll wait to save me, a superhero in your sleep. A superhero.
Hi, Daddy.
It's man-made also. It's man-made.
That does not look man-made. So you see, looks like they're gonna expand onto it because I know that's gonna be the new Idaho fishing game headquarters.
Oh, over there.
Yeah, it was.
Never felt so alive in my life. 'Cause you make me come to life every time I'm free.